Right, boys. So then, let me just get out of this room. But pretty much, uh, about a month ago, most likely, I bought a BMW 320 Ci E46. Now, the car initially looked good, you know. Guy in the description said it has a short throw shifter and all that type of shit. So we went for it and we fucking bought it. Um, and at first I didn't look at the car properly, so now we're discovering a lot of shit. Firstly, the short shifter wasn't installed properly, and it didn't have the proper like adapter for the console, so it got quite fucked up. But all those things got fixed up in the fucking service, so now it's running. We've got good gears and everything. But the guy decided to install an M3 front bumper on it, and he installed it with fucking screws. So we're gonna have to fix that up. I also need to check how my blinker is attached, because it's pretty wobbly right now and I don't know what's wrong with it. I'm gonna have to take the car apart. Right now I'm not at the car, but in the next clip I'll most likely show you the car. I'll show you what I'm talking about and I'll show you what we're working with. This is going to be me and my brother's journey of us pretty much like tuning and modding our cars. Hopefully we get to great projects. That's what we're hoping for, and we just want to document it all, share it with you guys, share our problems, share our experiences, and if you guys learn anything, it's fucking good. We'll be having fun, and that's pretty much all for right now. This is all for this clip. I'll be working on the car this Saturday, which is in a couple of days. So next clip will most likely be from Saturday of me showing you the car. See you there. Alright guys, so last clip I told you that I'm going to be coming over here to work on the car. I'm at the location. This is where we're going to be working at. It's the closest thing I've got to a driveway. But this is the car. A 320 99 Fear. It's got a couple of like cosmetic problems, like this right here on the fucking hood. The mirrors are really screwed up. But the thing I want to focus on today is, first of all, if you look at the car this way, I don't know if you can see it on camera, but the bumper is slanted a bit that way. And also, if you look at this blinker, it's not installed properly. So what I want to do is I want to take off my headlights, see about the blinkers, and then also I want to see about the fucking front bumper, because usually this thing is mounted to the crash bar, right? But as you can see, I've just got these little fucking screws, which I've got these little screws which are not supposed to be there. That is not how you mount the front bumper. You can see here the blinker right here. There's supposed to be either a screw or a clip, but I can't find that, so I'm just going to be taking it apart in order to see how it actually works and what I need to, one, fix my bumper, and then also get the fucking headlights sorted out. So that's what we're going to be doing today, pretty much. Right, Ray. So then, what we've learned is
This one right here is like well applied. Turns out it is the one with the clip. Now this, I'm not sure it should be like that. Here it's fucking completely different. I don't really know what to say, but these screws are only 3 holding my whole bumper in. This one is really fucking screwed up and I can't even take it off, but I'll take these 2 off and I'll see what I can do from there. So yeah, pretty interesting. Right, so I'm fucking sweating, but what I've been working on is these little kind of like ears. You see how the headlight goes into them? Those were out, and so I just put them fucking back in, so that now I can install this trim piece the way it's supposed to go. And I also think that the blinker, it is a bit more solid now. It's kind of like, it's got a little gap right here though, which might not have been there before. I'm not quite sure, to be honest. No, it was there. You can see here that it's got it, but way less though. That is interesting. It's like, oh, okay, I just needed to press it flush again. Kind of though. Should be sitting like this, but then it's got all this play. But that's because the trim piece is not installed, so I'm just gonna install that right now and see what happens. Alright guys, so I worked on it, I don't know for how long, but I took off the fucking trim pieces, right, you all saw that. I wanted to remove the bumper, but I didn't because my screwdriver was too big. So instead I just installed the fucking bumpers as they should be, and then this trim piece. I don't know if it's just me, but it looks like it fits better now than it did before. This side as well. So as you can see, it's a bit better as well. I'm filming from my phone because my camera died. The only thing is this blinker right here. You can see how it's not flush with the body, whereas on the other side, if I come over here, you see how it's sitting nice and flush, right? So I'm wondering whether the headlight is sitting this way, and like the car maybe has been hit before. It looks really identical to this one. I can't really decide. I feel like it's in the same position, but I'm thinking that the blinker is not what it should be, and so I think I'll order new blinkers and try to solve it that way. And if that doesn't work, then I'll just maybe forget about it. We'll see about the bumper. Next time I come, I'll come with a smaller screwdriver. I'll take all these off. I fixed this up because you can see the hole right there was held in with a screw as well. The fog light behind it is only held with a fucking what did you call them? Cable tie? I don't know, whatever. So I managed to kind of like bump it in there, and now the foot light is ready. I forgot what you call it in English, but yeah, that's what it's held on with. So we'll have to fix that up as well. We'll have to get new mirrors for it, you know, and all that type of stuff. But it's gonna come on later down the road. I just wanted to see if I could fix those things. Unfortunately, I couldn't because I didn't get a small enough screwdriver. But I'll come back and we'll check out the front bumper. I'll order the new blinkers and we'll change those as well. And that's it for now, I guess. This might be a separate video, or I might combine it with the next part. If it is a separate video, see you in the next video, guys.